Welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change the color of lips, or let's say lipstick, in Photoshop. Well, this is a very simple tutorial, but a lot of beginners might not know how to do this. So I'm showing you how to do this. So let's get started. First of all, open the picture you want to edit, and we'll go to adjustment layer. It's down here on the right side, and we'll choose hue saturation. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to try to increase the value of saturation. Okay. Once you open this hue saturation adjustment layer, you can see on top of this you see this settings, the properties, hue, saturation, and lightness. So grab the saturation knob and drag it towards right side. This is going to make it the color saturated. Okay, so right now it's changing the color of the whole image, but we're gonna come to the part where we're gonna apply it to the lips, and the hue part is for changing the color. So you can change the color to any color here. Let me keep it like this. Okay, let's say like this, and increase the hue, saturation, and lightness could be a little down. Let's see. So once we have done that, we can click on the thumbnail of the mask. This is the mask. Okay, the white thing you see. Click on that and press Ctrl and I. So that hides the mask. This means the hue saturation effect is no more visible because of this mask. Now what we're going to do is we're going to apply the mask on certain area. Okay, and for this image it's the lips. Okay, so we can zoom in by pressing Ctrl and plus, and we're going to go to this brush tool. Okay, brush tool, and you need to be careful. You need to select the thumbnail of this hue saturation, this black part. Okay, click on that and then select the brush tool and come to this canvas and right click and pull the hardness all the way to 0%, and size, you can change the size later. Okay, and opacity would be around 50. Okay, and now just click like this on the lips and click like this, drag, click and drag. Yeah, and if you need, you can just decrease the size of the brush by pressing the bracket, opening bracket, which is right next to P, the letter P. The next to the opening bracket is closing bracket. That's for increasing the brush size. So you can adjust your brush size according to your preference. Okay, and yeah, just do this. Now you have changed the color of the lips, but to make it more realistic, we're gonna go to this blending option of this layer. Right now it's normal. Click here and choose multiply. Okay, now this is blending with the layer below. Okay, now you're good to go. Now you can see that the lips color has changed. Now what you can do is click on this hue saturation just next to that thumbnail, and you can just grab the hue knob and just drag like this, and you can choose any color. Okay, it could be green, blue, kind of orange, red, like this. And you can always decrease or increase the saturation. If you decrease the saturation, you're gonna see like it's kind of black, and if you increase the saturation, it makes the color stronger. Similarly, you can decrease the lightness, and you can also increase the lightness. If you increase the lightness, you will see that it's kind of it's making the lipstick fade away. So you can choose any color on the hue part, and then you can change the lightness, okay, to make it more intense or less. It's your choice. So yeah, this is how you can change the color of the lipstick. As you can see, if I turn on and off, okay, you can see the color has changed. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel.